Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to edit viral TikToks. Alright. Now what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna just go ahead and click on my new project right here, and I'm gonna select the video. Let's say for example this one, right? So I'm gonna just add this video to my to my project. Now as you can see right here, if you want to edit the viral TikTok, first of all you need to click on the video, and you will need to add some filters or something like that. So I'm gonna just get back to it, and you're gonna see right here the effects right here, and you're gonna see the filters. Just go ahead right here and click the filters. You can just go ahead and add the filter, or in my case I like to adjust the brilliance, right? And I'm gonna just add the some kind of improvement to my video, right? And I'm gonna hit the check mark. But in your case you could just go ahead right here and add the filters to your video to make it work the way that you actually want. All right, after you finish adding adding the filter and everything right here, you can just go ahead and do it. I'm gonna just click right here the check mark. Now what I'm gonna do in order to make a viral video, I'm gonna just click right here on the video, or this video as you can see right here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just get back to it, and you're gonna see right here text, right? In the text, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on it, and basically what's gonna happen, you're gonna see right here a third option which called auto captions. I'm gonna just click on it, and basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead into adding whatever templates of text that you want to add to your video, right? So I'm gonna just add this one, for example, right? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead right here and click generate, and after you've chosen the subtitles and everything right here for your video, you gotta just wait it out until a few moments. And if it does, or if that video had a voice, let me just add the video with the voice, and I'm gonna get back to you.
عندنا افتتاح.
And this is, for example, a text that I just add, or the caption that I just add for this video. And in most cases, if your video is within the English language, you'll be able to see many texts. But in my case, I already am using a different language, so that's why you see only one text. But let's work on it, right? And you will see right here, like this is like a part of this video, and you're gonna see right here batch edit. Click on it, and basically what's gonna happen is you're gonna just go ahead right here and click on, let's have an example, this one, and you're gonna just make it a short, or I'm gonna just add another subtitle to it. So I'm gonna just click right here on the return, and it's gonna open up a new a new part of the captions. And you're gonna see right here, if you click the check mark, that it's opened like a new part of the subtitles. And the same goes if you clicked on the text itself or the caption, and you just clicked batch edit, you're gonna be able to see right here, you could just go ahead and click any part and just hit right here the return button, and you'll be able to add another caption and hit the check mark. And the same goes for all of the viral videos, right? Now in my case right here, I've already added like a font, or I added like the font of the video. But in your case, if you want to edit the font, you could just go ahead and click on the text, and here, as you can see right here, you will see fonts, right? You can just always edit it to the way that you actually want. You can see right here brand fonts, there isn't, but you can choose whatever font that you want, or you could just go ahead right here to the style. In my case, I love to make it in the text like to be white and yellow, like the way I did before. And basically what's gonna happen after you add the let's say for example this one, like black, all right, what's gonna happen, you're gonna see a black background, or a black text right here, you will see it, right? Or if you can just click the brand colors or glow, basically you're gonna be able to see if you click the glow right here, you'll be able to see it. And if you click the background, you will see the background of this text, right? In my case, I've already like to make it yellow, so I'm gonna just hit the check mark right here, and you'll be able to see like something just like this, right? So what's gonna happen, you can just go ahead and edit the text the way you want. In my case, I'm gonna just go ahead right here into finding the style, or you can just go ahead to the effects right here. Basically, you're gonna see many templates that's been offered from CapCut to just add the text that you actually want for your video. So as you can see right here, I can add whatever shape or the way I want it, right? So as you can see right here, even the animation, but I don't think that you necessarily need it. But if you want, you could just see many templates right here to add it. And basically you can just add a caption or loop right here for your video, or in and out, the way the text appears at the beginning and the way it disappears at the end. All right, and you can just hit the check mark right here. Basically you're gonna see the text the way it should be, right? So after you added the text and added everything, we're gonna do something just like free tracking effect in CapCut. So what's gonna happen, this you're gonna choose a part of the video. Let's have an example, this one, right? Until, let's say, I'm gonna just choose a part, a proportion of this video, and I'm gonna just choose this part, right? Now what I'm gonna do, you're gonna see right here many tools, right? And what's gonna happen is you're gonna see right here the many tools and everything. Now what I'm gonna do, you're gonna see something called camera tracking. Let me just try to look it up, right? And you're gonna see right here, if you didn't find it, you will find it in the video that you actually, if you have a face to it or whatnot, you're gonna be able right here to see, let's have example this retouch, and click on it, and you'll be able to see face and body. So in my case, I'm gonna just choose a face, right? Basically what's gonna happen, you're gonna just go ahead right here and just make a face, right? And make it the skin tone and do everything. I'm gonna just demonstrate how it's done, right, for a viral video. And you can just reshape the way you actually want, all right, in the makeup, if you want to add a little bit of enhancement to your video, right? And after you finish, you're gonna just wait it out, right, to your viral video, and just click the check mark, and you're gonna just wait for a couple minutes until the video has been until the video been until the video is rendering and everything. And after it's finished, you're gonna see the enhancement on your videos, right? And basically the last thing that I want to mention is if you want to add a sticker to your video. And CapCut offers a lot of stickers to your video to make your video look interesting and look more appealing to your viewers by clicking right here the subtitles. In my case, I'm gonna just go ahead and choose something from the CapCut right here, or you can just go ahead and choose from Google to add it to your video, right? So in my case, I'm gonna just see right here, let's have an example for the demonstration. I'm gonna just go ahead and choose something just like this one, right? So I'm gonna just choose the cat, for example, and you're gonna see it appearing right here, all right? And basically you can just animate it by, let me just click, let's have an example, a cat, right? Let me just choose a cat. All right, okay, and as you can see right here, this is like the cat and everything. You can just click the animation, or hit the animation to put it the way you actually want. If you want the beginning to be appearing from the left, from the right, or if it wants to be fade in, right, or in the out, you can just go ahead make it a fade out or mini zoom or whatever you want, or you can make it on a loop, in a loop kind of a thing, so the animation can be constantly moving and something like that, right? And after you've chosen the viral thing for your video, you're gonna just place it to any position that you actually prefer, right, for your video. And basically what's gonna happen, you get that demonstration, you're gonna be able to have a viral video for your CapCut. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you want to export the video, just hit that at the top right, the upload, and just hit save to device. See you in the next one.